In the fast-paced city life, elevators have become an indispensable part of us. Today, let's explore the innovative journey of the elevator industry. From manual to automatic, the development of the elevator industry has witnessed the crystallization of human wisdom. Technological innovation makes elevators faster and safer, cordless design reduces space restrictions, and high-speed elevators improve efficiency. Intelligent trend. Intelligentization not only improves the user experience, but also optimizes the resource allocation and makes the elevator service more personalized. Green energy saving is an important direction of the elevator industry. Through technological innovation, we are reducing the burden on the earth. Safety is always the top priority of the elevator industry. Strict safety standards and regular maintenance ensure the safety of passengers. With the continuous progress of science and technology, the elevator industry is welcoming a new era of smarter, safer and greener. Let us look forward to every vertical journey in the future. If you want to know more about the elevator industry, please pay attention to us. We will see you in the next video.